Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now it's Saturday night, we were just sitting here, Steve's watched the football, and I suddenly remembered that yesterday I ordered a Too Good To Go bag from Greggs. So I've been across to get it. Now if you don't know about Too Good To Go, it's an app that you put on your phone and various places in the local area sell off the goods that they haven't sold today for a ridiculous price. Now, this Too Good To Go bag from Greggs costs £2.99. So, should we see if it's any good? Is it worth it? Right, well, first off, we have a ham and cheese toastie. Okay, and we can just pop that in the air fryer and that'll be done. Then we have, this is a children's ham sandwich. Oh, I have got some. Right, and then this is, my favourite, Mexican chicken oval bite. I really like those. We've been to Greggs in a couple of places, or a couple of different Greggs, and they haven't had those, so I thought they discontinued them. I'm really pleased to see that they haven't. So then we have an egg sandwich. I mean, it literally is just egg. It's not, it says egg mayonnaise, free-range egg mayonnaise. Now, the thing is with these sandwiches, you're going to need to season them. Doesn't matter that they're too good to go, they need seasoning. They don't use salt, they don't use pepper, and we all know that eggs like both. And we have a baguette, and it is, please don't be a tuna. No, it's a chicken and bacon, roast chicken and bacon club. If I do that, you can see, look. Now that you could put in a panini press. So, you know, you'll get a nice warm sandwich. And finally, we've got some sweet treats. We have 2 ring donuts. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for £2.99. So 50p an item, you can't go wrong. So if you haven't got Too Good To Go downloaded on your phone, I suggest you have a look. And some of these you have to be quick with. It'll come up that they've got bags available for the next day or sometimes later that day. But if you don't get in there quick, you're going to miss them. But I think £2.99, I can virtually see Greggs from the door. Got to be done, hasn't it? So thanks for watching. We shall see you again on the next In the Kitchen with Pen. Bye for now.